Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-350 SuperDuty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 SuperDuty. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, trip computer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.